Alright guys, so I've got this outlet and it's obviously not level and it's driving me nuts. So there's two ways you can fix this. There's a lot of ways you can fix this, but the first, you can simply take that screw right there out and loosen the screws in the outlet and you can kind of eyeball it level, but I'm tired of guessing at it. And I happen to have this new tool here from Racketeers. It's called the Plug Master. So to use this, take your cover off and plug this in to the front of the outlet. Then you loosen your outlet mounting screws and you'll just look at this little bubble on top, and whenever it's between the lines, it's perfectly level. Also, it's going to check your wiring while you've got it plugged in. So to do this, all you need is a screwdriver, but I'm going to be using the Klein 15-in-1 ratcheting screwdriver. It's got a bunch of bits, ratchets, forward, reverse, and it holds all the bits in the handle. So there'll be links to the tools I'm using down in the description below. But this is how to level an outlet if your outlet is not level. So get started here. I'm just going to take this screw out, and once I get the cover off, I will get back with you. Alright, so you can probably just look at that outlet and see why it's not level, but I've got our Plug Master opened up here. So if you look at the back of this, it literally just plugs in, and then it's got these plastic skirts on each side, and that is to keep you from getting into the terminals back there. So all we're going to do is plug this in just like that, and the lights come on, and you can go by the light code here and it'll tell you if you're correct or if what is wrong. So yellow, the last yellow and the red says that our wiring's correct, which it's been working, so we weren't really worried about that anyway. But if you look at our level bubble up at the top, it's way off. So all we're gonna do is take our screwdriver here and we're gonna loosen that top screw up just like that. Then we're gonna come down here and loosen our bottom screw just like that. Then we're going to grab our Plug Master and we're going to adjust it till it's level. So right there is going to be level. So now all you do is tighten your top screw, tighten your bottom screw, and it'll be perfectly level. Now when you tighten these screws up, you want to tighten them far enough that that metal strip right there bows in a little bit on the top and bottom. Not a lot, but a little bit. So I'm going to hold this level and use my screwdriver to tighten my screws down, and I'll get right back to you. Alright, and as you can see from the bubble there on top, we are now level, and I've got my screws tightened down, so this thing shouldn't move anymore. Now all you got to do is unplug that and you have a level outlet. So put your cover back on and you're done. Now I'm sure you noticed in the beginning of the video that this is a light up outlet cover, and the way it works is it's just got a couple little copper prongs. They grab the side of the outlet and they turn on the light on the bottom. It also has a photo cell built in so that whenever it's daylight, it goes off. Or if your light in here is bright, it'll go off. So it's good for a night light that you don't have to worry about bumping or knocking out of the outlet or whatever if you got pets. So again, I will put the links to all the tools that I used and this outlet cover down in the description. if you would, hit that subscribe button and leave us a comment about what you think about our video. Check out the rest of our channel. We've got more how-to videos, tool deals, tool demos, anything you might need. You should be able to find in our channel as far as electrical is concerned. So again, hit the subscribe button, leave us a comment, and the links will be in the description. Y'all have a great day, and this is How to Level an Outlet.